The world of 3D design and modeling continues to expand, drawing in artists, engineers, and digital creators who crave precision and style. Beyond performance laptops, accessories and tools play a vital role in improving comfort, aesthetics, and creative efficiency. In this guide, we explore some.
List number 1. Halloween Studded Backpack 3D Goat. If you're looking for a bold and artistic way to carry your 3D modeling gear, the Halloween Studded Backpack 3D Goat is a statement piece. This unique bag combines edgy Gothic design with practical functionality. Its 3D goat design and studded exterior make it a standout accessory that reflects creativity and confidence, traits every designer can relate to. Built with durable synthetic leather, it offers excellent protection for laptops, sketch pads, and drawing tablets. The spacious interior is ideal for storing devices and essentials safely, while padded straps ensure comfort during long commutes or travel to design studios. For 3D artists, the design itself is inspiring, representing depth, dimension, and bold individuality. If you want a backpack that not only carries your gear, but also showcases your personality, this 3D Goat backpack is both functional and fashion-forward.
List number 2. 3D Connection 3DX-70059 Space Mouse Compact 3D. When it comes to serious 3D modeling, the 3D Connection Space Mouse Compact 3DX-70059 is a must-have precision tool. Designed specifically for CAD and 3D applications, this mouse offers 6 degrees of freedom, allowing users to intuitively manipulate digital models as if holding them in real space. Its ergonomic design provides smooth, responsive control for navigating complex projects in Blender, AutoCAD, or SolidWorks. With its compact size and premium metal base, the Space Mouse ensures stability and comfort even during long design sessions. Unlike a traditional mouse, the Space Mouse lets you pan, zoom, and rotate models simultaneously, significantly improving workflow efficiency. Whether you're a professional 3D artist or a beginner exploring 3D modeling, this device enhances creativity and precision. It's one of the most innovative tools every designer should have on their desk.
List number 3. iDonzen case for MacBook Air 13-inch, model A1466 and A1369. Protect your laptop in style with the iDonzen case for MacBook Air 13-inch. Designed for models A1466 and A1369, this sleek, lightweight case offers both protection and visual appeal. Its 3D textured pattern adds grip while enhancing the overall look of your MacBook, perfect for design professionals who appreciate both functionality and aesthetics. Made from durable polycarbonate material, it guards against scratches, dust, and everyday wear. The precise cutouts ensure full access to all ports, buttons, and vents for easy usability. Additionally, the non-slip rubber feet provide stability on smooth surfaces during modeling or rendering tasks. Available in multiple colors and finishes, this iDonzen case is a stylish yet practical accessory that complements your workstation setup. It's perfect for 3D designers who want to keep their device safe while maintaining a creative, modern aesthetic.
List number 4. Badass Edition Emblem 3D Metal Badass Badge Sticker. Add a touch of boldness to your gear with the Badass Edition 3D Metal Emblem Badge. Crafted from durable zinc alloy, this premium quality sticker delivers an embossed 3D look that makes any laptop, desktop, or workstation stand out. Its metallic finish and raised lettering give it a premium high-impact appearance. The adhesive backing ensures it stays firmly attached on any smooth surface, whether it's your laptop lid, tool case, or even your workstation. More than just decoration, this emblem symbolizes confidence and creative power, a perfect addition for designers who want to express their identity. Simple to apply and resistant to fading, it's a small detail that can give your workspace or laptop a uniquely badass edge. List number 5. 2PCS 3D Metal Sport Emblem Car Tailgate Decal. The 2PCS 3D Metal Sport Emblem Decal is another way to personalize your tech or creative space with bold flair. While originally designed for vehicles, these durable 3D metal emblems look fantastic on laptops, desktops, or even toolboxes. They're made from high-quality chrome metal that resist corrosion and maintain a glossy finish for years. The raised 3D design gives them a sleek, dynamic appearance that appeals to creative professionals and designers alike. Installation is simple, just peel and stick. The strong adhesive ensures a secure hold without damaging surfaces. Whether you want to label your workstation or add some energy to your laptop, these emblems are a fun, affordable way to make your setup look professional and personalized.